Good morning! It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Doesn't look like it will ever stop. Pointless being here. Pointless. Although I'm getting some stuff now and then I'm opening the thing, which should be in the next 10 minutes, and we have to hurry. You're wet already. Tree out of life. That's pretty awesome. And you. You're colorful. Let's see if you get a nice shot, although it's... No. What are you? You're weird. Weird. Oh, the trees look cool. Half leaves, half red. They're confusing me. This is for Gun to the Snow Dogs. Two of them. Look at them. Aren't they pretty?
Ja.
Crazy people. That's so cool. I wasn't expecting them here. They are from my former life, kind of, from the baseball and softball from here. And that's like 15 years ago. And Philip, the guy with no hair, he actually was in my, he is a former classmate. So we've been in the same class for 5 or 6 years, I think. Crazy. And he's moving to Oslo now. So cool. It's nice seeing him. He's always so happy and he's a cool dude. He was one of my favorite people there. Although we didn't have much contact, but I really kind of liked him. He was very true. I'd say it like that. He didn't play games or anything. He was very straightforward. A nice guy, yeah. He's one of the good ones. 4 o'clock. And guess what, how much I sold today? 0. Zilch. Nothing. Why? There's someone. Oh my god, there was one. And there's another one. 2 people. Freezing! Pretty. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Oh. People are so in tune today. Awesome. Pretty colors. That is so cool. Yeah, turn it, baby. Come on, turn it faster. I like that it's not in focus. Come on, turn it, baby. Turn it. So cool. Let's put some music here. Yeah, epic outro. There's a guy over there. Wait, where are we? Not here. Ah, there we are. See the guy over there? He's decorating the thing, and I was like, there are 2 of them. Because he was talking constantly. I just realized there's a mirror and it's just him. I saw him talking, and then there was someone standing and walking, and I was like, oh, okay, 2 guys, interesting. He's doing good, making stars right now. Good job, dude. Yeah, I wrapped that earlier and someone is picking it up. Yeah. Colors rule. Normally nobody buys the chocolate because it's, I don't know, it looks just not normal. I mean, the others look good. That one looks good too, but it's just something that what you're not used to. So it's strawberry and cranberry. But like this, it really looks cool, so yeah, good job. Here I'm talking about weight loss and replying to comments that I want to lose weight. And what am I eating? I'm eating carbs. And I just ate a cookie. Okay, we will do some serious exercise later. Hope I can go earlier today. I really want my own place now. I really want to have something which is mine.
Like, I don't have to own it. I can pay rent. That doesn't matter. But I want to be somewhere where I could put my things and I have it there. And if I'm sewing something or working on something, I can just have it there without putting it somewhere. And I can do my dishes whenever I want. I can wash my clothes whenever I want. Just having a normal life again. I hate this.
You're probably wondering when I'm watching all the TV series and stuff. I'm basically watching it before I go to bed or in bed, so I fall asleep while watching it. And I just finished the America's Next Top Model All-Star season. They disqualified Angeli. Yeah, and I was like, what? Why? I mean, I didn't want her to win. I think Allison would have probably made it. Lisa is... I mean, they're both together.
I mean, Allison's walk sucked, but she is pretty quirky and cool. She looks like a model. She fits into Vogue. Lisa, not so sure. Well, she's pretty, but... And Angeli, I saw a couple of pictures of her on the runway. Or pictures? No. Too much personality.
Aww. Well, somehow it's pretty. Looks better in real. Let's go home. It's been a long and boring day. They're close too, so let's go home. With live music. Yay. Oh, with a golden swan. It's a Friday evening, it should be packed. Look at that, it's empty. I really feel bad for the musicians over there. There's nobody here, but we hear them all over the market. I'm home, yay! And you know what today is? Today is the first day we are working out. Yeah! It's workout day! Workout day, baby! We're watching a bit of Voice of Germany. Yeah, I can't just start working out. I need to, whatever, get back on temperature because I'm ice cold. And then we're working out.